part. Your antenna. Drop that guy in. This one here over here should be for your hazards. Okay, steering control and the other part of the radio, which goes onto the dash there. We won't need, so that's all done there. We'll just sit it back in. I'm just trying to tuck all the wires behind there. That should just clip all back in again. This is the tricky part here, where all the wires are everywhere, so if we can make it nice and tight and firm on the back there, we shouldn't have a problem sliding this guy in. Let's test down and see what works first. Voila! Well, so far so good, eh? Turns on. Yeah, for your safety, okay. So there, it works. Cool, works. Thanks guys, see you next time, bye. Sorry guys, my phone had a call, so it cut out. Let me continue. Well, we're taking this middle console part out, and then we're going to try and get this out. So it would have been loosened on this side, and also drop this part here underneath the steering column, drop it down a bit. Much more comes out easily. Just we drop that so we can loosen this part here because they overlap each other. So let's my trusty white pick again. Just pull this back a bit. Go. Pops out like that. Once we can pull it back, it will expose our 8mm bolt from underneath there. After you do that, and the 3 bolts, the 3 screws that's on top there, this whole panel should pull straight back out. And then we can remove the head unit. Got to remove this one on the side here as well, just makes it a lot easier to remove the console, because once this is out, that can free up and we've got some room to move it. You can try to do it without it, but it just makes it a lot easier. Just like that. That comes out. Now this one here can just slide a lot back a lot more easier. Should probably take that part out, but the less things I'll take out, the less thing I've got to put back together. So that should expose our 8mm underneath there. Yep, there's one, there's 2. Alright, well, we can remove that if we'd like to, or we can try and work around it. So whichever makes it easier for yourself. I believe we want to move it back just a little bit like that, and I'll show you the 8mm screws from underneath there. As you can see, 8mm, and once the camera focuses, right there, 8mm. So, yeah, once we do that, this whole thing comes right out. So, I'm going to try and do that in front of you so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. got myself like a little attachment. Just makes it a lot quicker. That's all. If I was doing a once-off thing, then I wouldn't get it. But most of the time, I'm doing all the once every few days or so. So it just makes my life a lot easier. That's all. This side here, just see it right there. There you go, and that's out. Now, in saying that should free up the head unit. So now we can just use a bit of force, unclip it, unclip all the sides, and it should pop out like that. Okay, just unplug all your hazards and all the other thing. Stereo, antenna. Just like that. This guy here, push the clip in, and you can take it out just like that. As well. There you go, there's the head unit out. Now the rest is pretty basic and simple, standard like Honda plugs and all. I'll show you in a few seconds. That's just your speakers, your earth, probably illumination. Your accessory should be in the middle there with one of the small ones. And this plug here should be your steering wheel control, which is right there connected to this guy. So yeah, your hazards and your antenna. So just get a Honda and a 08 and up adapter. And then yeah, we'll put in the new fascia kit together. Yeah, should be ready to rock and roll. Okay, here's the new fascia kit over here. We're gonna have to use some stuff from this old one to the new one. Example, your hazards, okay, your plastic clips that the fascia kit doesn't come with, so we're gonna have to pick them out, chuck it over here. And of course your air vents, and that's about it. Okay, I'm just gonna walk around trying to find my other tools. I dropped somewhere. Where'd it go? Here we go. All right. So I don't know if you can see it from this angle. I'm just gonna place it up here somewhere and get to work. Okay, first we're gonna remove the hazard buttons. Most likely prefer leave it on a surface where it's not gonna scratch anything. So down like that. Hazard will be like catered to the new one over here. It's also got guide pins that go straight in. Place it back in. Okay. Nice and simple. Okay. Now we can try to remove our clips and the vents. Vents got 2 Phillips, either side at the bottom. take them out, remove it, and put it into our fascia kit. Just clips. Now that goes into a new one. So new fascia kits. Try to put that on there, like that. And 2 Phillips goes back into there. So there's a fascia kit with the cut out holes for our head units. Don't over tighten these, or else it goes right through. Fascia kit should come with a couple of screws as well, and these. Okay, just label right, left. So screw them on, and then we can bolt up the head unit to this. Okay, pretty straightforward. Do that in a second. Let's take out all the metal clips because that is going to be sometimes tricky. The way to do it, guys, is you want to open it up. Okay, so we've got one side and we're using 2 very small flathead. Open it up. You should pop it right out like that. Okay, so just repeat it, the process on all of them, and pop it back onto this one. So whichever one I'm taking out from here, I'm putting straight into here. Middle ones are a little bit more harder to get out because they've got a sort of like a little barb on it. So when it goes in, it locks it in. So what we've got to do, pull the barb out. I don't know if you can see the little barbs in there. That's what locks it in. So it's hard to come out. Whatever I've done on that side, I'm just repeating it on this side. Take it out, put it in. Take it out, put it in. Okay. Plastic on the bottom. That comes out. Where should I put it back in? Now that's in, so we've got our clips all back in again. Now this is a standard one, so we'll just put that aside for now. We don't need them anymore. Now we can incorporate our new one that goes into there. Just try not to lose any of the screws this time. Might help. can do is screw them in, but don't go all the way. Just give yourself about a 4mm gap. Just makes it a lot easier to do this from the side because they've got cutouts. The screw goes, put them in, and then tighten it. Just adjust it, don't overdo it. Just so it holds it in there. And there, that's how it is. Repeat on the left hand side. Left. And then yeah, that's our fascia kit. How a fascia kit should look. I don't know if you can see from there. Yeah. The wiring kit, microphone, 2 screws. Remove the head. This one here is just an audio media player, so there's no DVD. I think. Yep, there's no DVD. Slide that in from the back or the front. This is the side as well. Okay. Slide this in. You're gonna need this part here, sorry. That will make it, all the trimming looks nice, and then it comes with this rubber gasket sort of thing. It just goes right around there, and when it goes in, it holds it in place. It just fills up the gap, make it look more nice as a note. Put the rubber thing on, slide this guy in, like that. See, just makes it nice. I like to lay it on the floor there. Okay. So press that down upon it. So you know that that's the maximum point that it's going to be. That's if you've got another set of hands, it'll be a lot easier. Don't do it tight yet, because we're going to adjust it, and after adjusting it, you can make it tighter. Sit it on there for now. Just so I've got something to rest upon. Three screws on each side should be sufficient to hold the unit in place. adjusted. So okay. Do the same thing on the other side. So just loosen up, adjust it, trying to get it all in place. Once it's all snug, then you can tighten up the screws, so that's how it look like in the end. Of course, then inside the car. It's done. So ran our wires and a microphone. Fit back in afterwards. Okay, so I'm gonna pause this for now and do the wiring, and once I've finished the wiring I'll show you the rest. Okay guys, sorry, put it on pause. Didn't want you to see me to do the boring part, but put everything back together, inserting so first we start off with this bottom panel, this panel, put all these screws and stuff back on the sides, clip it back in, then we put this bottom panel back in, put a screw back in there, put the panel back on, and then we drop this back down, this middle console back down, plug in the cigarette lighter, don't forget that, put the screws on either side and the rears as well, and then now we're going to do the wiring kit, and then test out the antenna, and then yeah, should be ready to rock and roll. Okay, so let's keep on going. Don't know if you can see it again. Apologize if you don't, but let's get to it, eh? I'll run the microphone up here as well, which I've done in previous videos and stuff like that. So pre-strip the wiring, the loom, and now we're going to test out some of the stuff that's on here and hopefully wire it up and get it all working. So first let's test out for a constant on these. Should be the bottom of here of the plug, so that's like I said, constant. Yes, one of these small guys in here should be an accessory. One next to the constant on top there is a earth. Just bigger wires, bigger wires, bigger wires. There should be 8 to 12 up, and then your accessory. Bring the keys with me, be a lot better. Okay, the keys. So let's put on the ignition and find your accessories. So that looks like the accessory right there. Yep, it is. And let's find our headlights. Headlights probably up here or so. Maybe these need a key, so it turns it on. with our headlights. Illumination. There we go, that's illumination. Yep, so we found that as well. Okay, so let's get to it. And this here should be our earth. So pretty sure that's an earth, so we're going to slice into it. I can't remember Hondas off by heart, sorry guys, but most of the other cars I do. Constant, yep. So let's get our earth. We joined the handbrake one with the earth as well, just because the customer requested it, so he can watch while he's driving, or what the car doesn't have the handbrake up, so while it's in motion. Normally you don't do that, but if the customer requests it and you tell them all the legal part of it, that's not, you know, safety and all that. Each to their own. Make sure you don't watch while you're driving. That's it. On the earth, let's do the constant. So we just splice into it. Tap into it again. Done most of these in my other videos as well. So just TNT it all. Accessory should be over here. Sorry guys. Bad memory. Accessories right in here, which is a purple one. Do the purple guy. It's in the middle of the plug. One of the thinner wires. This was our illumination, so put that into there. Illumination should be orange majority of the time on your generic ones, like all your renowned brands like Kenwood, Sony's, JVC, Clarion, Pioneer. Orange ones majority of the time is your illumination. Show you guys the color, wine colors in one of my other videos. So now we've got the speaker wires, so we should have 8 all up because it's a 4-speaker system, so majority of the time you will have 8 wires for the speakers. Remember again, on my previous video I said most of the time the speaker wires should be or will be a twisted pair. So just find the twisted pair and that will be your speaker wires. The majority of the cars, they are all twisted. So now we're just going to locate which one is what. So let's check it out. So yeah. Rear right, front right. This is something else I made. Front left, rear left. Just a speaker popper, just so you can find it. It's rechargeable as well. Button over here tells you what phase it is on, positive or negative phase. So yeah, rear right, front left, rear left. Okay. Hopefully my memory serves me a lot better than last time. So top of the plug is positive, so let's get that all in. Positive, rear right, negative, rear right, front right, positive on top of the plug again, yes, sorry guys for the that noise. Gets annoying sometimes, but you can zone out. Front left. Front left positive. Front left negative. Rear left. Left negative, yeah. Negative is the one with the black trace. And rear left positive. Okay. Now front right on a aftermarket loom is always grey. Front left is always white, majority of the time, unless you get those cheap brands, the eBay stuff, which don't normally use the same colour code as everybody else, tend to make their own. But yeah, if you have any other brands, you will have the same colour code. Front left is white, so front right is grey, rear left is green, rear right is purple. So just remember that. Makes it a lot easier. Yep, sorry guys, nearly done. Last wire to go. And that's the loom done. Okay, so we just tape it all up, make it nice and neat. Grab a head unit, plug it in, and hopefully it all works. Should. All the wires are there. Neat up the wires a bit. Okay, now that's all in there. Set it all up. Grab our unit that we've done ready before. Let's plug in our wires, our microphone. It's a fairly light unit actually, because there's no